Okay, 0911, you're sniping NCR troops. And there's a whole lot of them too. Get away from my AP to get back up. So yeah, never go to the Hoover Dam unless you are protected by, unless you are not, if you're not in good conditions with the NCR, like I was when I came here. See, now I'm stuck doing this. A good thing it was some 308 rounds. Good thing is that I have the high ground. It's my advantage here. Alright, buddy. Gotcha. He's still alive? Finally, I killed him. Okay, but this guy just bugs me. Oh, he's hostile. Okay, my work here is done. See you guys later.